Hi honeyhews. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of having dry, chapped lips? Do you dream of having soft, pink, and fluffy lips that feel amazing? In this video, we'll share our top tips and tricks for achieving the perfect pout. From exfoliating to moisturizing, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Exfoliating your lips. First things first, let's talk about exfoliating your lips. Just like your skin, your lips need exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and reveal smooth, soft lips. You can use a lip scrub or make your own by mixing sugar and honey. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips and rinse with warm water. Segment 2. Moisturizing your lips. Now that your lips are exfoliated, it's time to moisturize. Use a lip balm or lip cream that's rich in emollients and humectants. Look for ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. Apply lip balm throughout the day, especially before bed, to keep your lips hydrated and soft. Segment 3. Lip care tips. Here are some additional lip care tips to help you achieve soft, pink, fluffy lips. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid licking your lips, as saliva can dry them out. Use a lip balm with SPF to protect your lips from the sun. Avoid using harsh products that can strip your lips of their natural oils. Segment 4. DIY lip masks. Let's talk about DIY lip masks. Here are a few recipes you can try. Honey and yogurt mask. Mix equal parts honey and yogurt and apply to your lips for 15 to 20 minutes. Coconut oil and sugar mask. Mix equal parts coconut oil and sugar and apply to your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumber and aloe vera mask. Slice a cucumber and apply it to your lips, or use aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate your lips. And that's it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to having soft, pink, fluffy lips in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more skincare and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.